Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you CapCut versus Alight Motion, which is better in 2024. So let's get started. So when it comes to mobile video editing apps, CapCut and Alight Motion are two of the most popular choices available. Each has its own set of features and strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. Here's a detailed comparison to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. So in this comparison, we will be using the pros and cons, and after that, there will be a conclusion with the comparison, so which one is better for each individual. So the first one is CapCut. So the pros of CapCut, number one is its user-friendly interface. CapCut offers a simple, intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, making it a great choice for beginners. Number two is it is an all-in-one editing suite. It provides a wide range of tools for video editing, including trimming, cutting, merging clips, adding music, filters, and stickers. And number three, it has high-quality export options. CapCut allows users to export in high resolution, ensuring that the final product looks professional. And then number four is that it is free to use. CapCut is completely free with no hidden charges or watermarks, making it accessible for everyone. And it also has the advanced features. So despite being user-friendly, it also offers advanced features like keyframe animations and chroma key, slow motion, giving users more creative control. So those are the pros. So now let's move on to the cons. So number one is the limited advanced editing options. While it offers a variety of features, some professional grade editing tools are missing. And it is also, number two, storage invasive. So the app can take up significant storage space on your device, especially when high-level resolution video files. Alright, so now let's move on to Alight Motion. So with its pros, number one is it has professional grade tools. Alight Motion is packed with advanced features such as vector graphics, visual effects, keyframe animation, and motion graphics, making it ideal for professional editors. Number two, it has customizable effects. Users can create and save their own custom effects, which can be reused in other projects. Number three is it has multiple export formats. Alight Motion supports a variety of export formats, including GIF, MP4, and PNG sequences, offering flexibility for different types of projects. Number four is it has a subscription-based model. While it offers a free version, the subscription model provides access to premium features, more effects, and removes the watermarks. Number five is it has a layer-based editing. So it is similar to the desktop editing app. So it allows for multiple layers of graphics, videos, and audios, providing a more robust editing experience. So now let's go for the cons of Alight Motion. So number one is its learning curve. So the app can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complex interface and numerous features. And it also has, number two, the performance issues. Some users report that the app can be slow or laggy, especially on older devices or when handling large projects. And number three is it has the subscription cost. So to access all features without watermarks, users need to subscribe to the paid version, which might not be ideal for casual editors. So now it's time for the conclusion. So CapCut is ideal for casual users and beginners who needs a free, easy-to-use video editor with a good balance of basic and advanced features. Its simplicity and high-quality export options make it a go-to for social media content creators and hobbyists. And now, Alight Motion, on the other hand, is better suited for professional editors and users who need an advanced features such as keyframe animation and vector graphics. Its robust toolset, customizable effects cater to those looking to create more complex and polished videos. Even though it comes with a steeper learning curve and potential performance issues on less powerful devices. So ultimately, the choice between CapCut and Alight Motion on which one is better depends on your specific needs, levels of expertise, and willingness to invest in a subscription for advanced features. So it will be different for everyone, or depending on what they need. So that is basically it on the comparison on which one is better in 2024, CapCut versus Alight Motion. Thank you for watching.